We have created an option chain so amazing that it can upgrade your trading game to the next level. On the dashboard, you will find the mini option chain on the left side by default as soon as you land on FnO 360. If you click on the second icon on the left side, you will get a full view of FnO 360 option chain. As you can see, this beautiful option chain is packed with only the important data you need to make smart decisions. On the left hand side of this option chain, you will find the data for calls, and on the right side, you will find the data for puts. By default, you will see the data for Nifty and for the current expiry. You can see price of each strikes with percent change in price with the OI and percent change in OI. OI is the open interest, which signifies the number of active contracts in the market for that particular strike. In the mini option chain, we have also added a graphical representation of the OI with each contracts so that you can get a fair idea about the sentiment for the asset by just a blink of an eye. By default, Nifty will be selected. We have given the three most traded options, that are Nifty, Bank Nifty and FinNifty upfront. Using the search bar, you can search and select any other stock you want to see the option chain for. Next to the search bar, you will find a drop down in which you can select the expiry for which you want to see the option chain. Above the expiry selection drop down is another drop down, and this is where the magic happens. Log into 5paisa FnO 360 now.